Hey everyone, Miguel here and welcome to the channel. Well, today guys, here we are, my 1 year anniversary on Cryptex. As I told you yesterday, I would do this 1 year anniversary, celebration. So it's been already 1 year guys, incredible how time goes fast. And I simply I've been most of this year totally passive. I've had so many things going on my life that I wasn't able to really focus anything related online. So that is the reason why I haven't been around much for some people that may know me. And obviously guys, this this project here that we have with Cryptex, guys, it's really phenomenal. You really need to get in right now. All right, down below I have a link for you to join me here on Cryptex. So you'll join through my email list, and then you can join through there. I will have several videos there explaining how to set up everything that you need with Cryptex. Okay, so that's a very cool thing. And now guys, I'm gonna do a little preview because I have some new data for today that and I will also take a little bit of a screenshot that I took yesterday from my Cryptex account, so that you guys can understand and to see how this thing really works. And it's really working flawlessly, guys, for 9 years now. Don't forget this. This is powerful. 9 years online. What's online project? What's crypto project specifically? You know, that has been running for 9 years, non-stop, flawless, with no hiccups, nothing. Always paying every single account holder. So this is really a must, guys. You must get in. Okay, don't forget down below to give that like, subscribe to my channel, and stay until the end of this video so that I can show you all these juicy details about my 1 year here on Cryptex. Well guys, so let's go guys to the main part of the video. Well, first of all guys, let me get my glasses here. Well, for today my profit is 0.12%. So on the low end of the average that has been between 0.11 and 0.19, as at least my experience. And the loan balance that we start from our $100 activation fee. In my specific case, guys, I started with the 5-year contract, and the loan for the 5 years is $43,200, and my active staking balance is at the moment 67,802. And for those of you that might have seen my video from yesterday, and I will leave up here on the cards that video, so if you would like to check yesterday's video that I did about my 1 day before my 1 year. And the thing here, guys, I will just show you so that you can have an idea of what just happened here, and I will follow along with this screenshot. So yesterday, as you can see, my total profit was 62%, and my total profit from staking was 26,889, and then active staking 70,000. And you might wonder, for those that watched yesterday's video, damn, how the hell is that? Is total profit went down 26,800, and for today 24,600. How is that possible? Well, as I told you, today is my 1 year, right? And for after 1 year, the bank that the loan that the bank gives us, okay, this initial balance, it varies according to the different contracts, and they, after 1 year, they have some interest according to the loan that they give us. Okay, as you can see, loan interest per year, it's set, at least for this 5-year contract, for 2,376 US dollars. So, as you can see, this is more or less the amount that has been taken. Don't forget, guys, always from our profits, either the monthly fees and all of that. That's also the not only the bank but also the insurance company. Okay, they also withdraw this amount every single month from our profits, not from our pockets. So that's a very, very big advantage for anyone. Okay, so as you can see, now for today it was 0.12, so 88.86 US dollars, and my total profit has dropped, specifically because due to the loan interest per year that we have here, at least on this 5-year contract that I've started 1 year ago. And guys, so as you can see, this has been running for myself for 1 year now already. My sponsor has been almost 2.5 years with Cryptex, and I know that are people on our team that are already very at least till the end of this year, are going to start receiving their profits for the 3-year contracts that most people started back then, right? And after that, we can see all around tons of proof about Cryptex and the payments everywhere, but then I might be able to show some more proof of those payments for you guys out there, right? So guys, don't forget to follow me. Okay, you can leave me a message on Telegram or Facebook, and also I have a link for you to join me here on this Cryptex journey, guys. I believe that you will love it every single moment. You can do this passively, and we also have an active plan if you would like to become an active player and start sharing this with others, and that is also very powerful. And guys, I believe that this can be make a huge difference in many people's lives. All right, so guys, don't forget down below to give a like, subscribe to my channel, click the bell for notifications. I hope that you have enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for listening, and I'll see you on the next one.